In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to keep things simple and focused so you can quickly tailor what you see to what matters most. The goal here is to make your notifications feel smarter and more relevant, so you're not wasting time scrolling past the noise. Begin by locating the three-dot icon, often shown as a vertical stack of dots. You'll typically find it near the top corner of your screen, and it opens a quick options menu. Go ahead and click the three dots. This is your doorway to fine-tuning what you're shown without diving deep into complicated settings. If the menu looks a little different on your screen, that's okay. Just look for the icon with three small dots. It's a standard shortcut in many apps for more options. Next, click Notification. This takes you to the place where your feed or alerts are governed. Think of it as the control room for what gets your attention. Opening notifications doesn't change anything yet. It simply brings up the choices that influence what appears first and what gets highlighted. Now, select For You. This is the key step. Choosing For You signals the app to surface the updates it believes you'll care about most, based on what you usually engage with. After you select For You, you should start seeing priority or important messages first. For example, items from people or channels you interact with more often, time-sensitive alerts, or updates that align with your typical interests will be moved to the front of the line. This helps you spend less time hunting for the critical stuff and more time acting on it. A few quick tips as you use this setting. Give it a little time to learn from your behavior. The more consistently you interact with the content you truly value, opening, reading, or responding, the better the For You view becomes at understanding your preferences. If you ever feel like the mix isn't quite right, simply return to the same three-dot menu, open Notification again, and adjust from there. The For You view is meant to be flexible, so don't worry if your needs change. It can adapt along with you. That's all there is to it. Click the three dots, go to Notification, and select For You. With those quick actions, you'll start seeing the most relevant, high-priority updates at the top, helping you stay organized and responsive without sifting through the clutter. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined, smarter notification experience.